Hey guys, so I'm going to be starting off with my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer just to prepare myself for some foundation. Now I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape in Deep and I'm going to be concealing my dark marks and making sure everything's concealed. Now I'm taking my It Cosmetics buffing brush and just making sure all of that is blended in and how I like it. Now I'm taking the Born This Way by Too Faced in Chestnut foundation and just applying small dots all over my face. A little bit goes a long way. I do not need a whole bunch of, lines of foundation because that's just going to make it look cakey. I just want a little bit. But now I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Conceal in Fawn and now I'm just going to, spritz my beauty blender, making sure that's nice and damp, and now I'm going to blend that in. Taking my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, I'm just going to set all the areas that I highlighted with and just making sure everything's nice and set, and this is just going to prevent creasing later on in the day. This is just going to make my makeup last longer. So excuse my dancing, I am listening to music, and yeah. I am now taking my MAC Fix Plus and I'm just going to set my face with this. This is just going to make sure my makeup lasts all day. But I'm going in with my Urban Decay Naked Illuminated Highlight in the shade Lit and just highlighting my face. I am highlighting my cheekbones as well as my nose just to make sure I am glowing and popping and shining and glimmering in that sunlight. Now taking my NYX eyebrow pencil, this is just the black one, but I'm taking that brush side and just grooming my brows before I fill them in. But I'm flipping over to the pencil side and filling in my eyebrows, just making them how I like them, just giving myself a nice arch, and defining my brows. Here I'm taking that same Fawn concealer and concealing my brows. I'm just going underneath and above my brows just to shape them and give them more of depth and more, just make them more arched, just make them more sharp, if you know what I mean. And just, I'm sure you guys seen this in other brow tutorials and other people's makeup tutorials, but yes, I'm taking the same concealer and priming my eyes, taking a beauty blender and making sure that's nice and blended out for eyeshadow. But after that, I'm taking the Morphe 25B and I'm taking that nice orangey reddish shade. I don't really know how to describe it, but this is going to be my transition color for the start of my look, and I'm just going to keep blending that out until I get that nice diffused seamless look that I like. Now I'm taking that darker, it's kind of similar to the first transition shade that I had, but it's more of a deeper shade, but it's very similar in color, but it's just darker. But I'm taking that shade and this is going to be my second transition color. This is just going to, deepen up the crease and make it more, give it more dimension, more dramatic, more bold. But now I'm going into the Morphe Fall Into Frost palette in that nice brown shimmery shade, and I'm just applying that with my fingers onto the lid and just making sure I blend it nicely, make sure I get into the corners, into every crevice, and make sure that it's nice and well blended. But now I'm taking that black shade from the same palette, and this is just going to smoke things out and make things more dark and deep, and you get the drill, just nice and smoked out. And this is how I kind of do all my looks. I just add a nice darker shade just to make things more smoky. I did decide to throw on some lashes for this look, and these are the Ardell Double Up Lashes in 207. But I did take that same second transition color that I took for this look and use that as my waterline color. Well, not my waterline, my lower lash line. And yep, that just is my lower lash line color. But I'm taking that pink rosy shade from the Fall into Frost palette by Morphe, and this is just going to be my inner corner highlight, and this, I believe, just ties in the whole look. This is just the focal point of the look, and I feel like this just completes the look. So yep, that is it for the eyes. But I'm going in with this Stila lip paint. I forget what color this is in, but I will be sure to link it down in the description. But yep, this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please be sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. My goal is to get 200 subscribers by the end of February. I believe we can do it because right now I have like 184 subscribers, so I only have like 16 people left to go. Like, what the heck? That's a lot of people. Like, I just hit 150 last week. Oh my god. But like, comment, subscribe. That's all I have to say. Have a blessed day and enjoy my final poses, and bye.
Be humble. Sit down. Be humble. Sit down. Be humble. Sit down. Be humble. Sit down. Be humble. Sit down.